In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add apps in Wix using Wix Apps. If you want to expand what your Wix website can do, adding apps is one of the easiest ways to do it. Wix Apps can help you add features like contact forms, bookings, chat tools, stores, galleries, and much more, all without needing to build anything from scratch. The good news is that the process is very simple, and once you know where to look, you can install an app in just a few clicks. To get started, go to your site dashboard in Wix. This is the main control area for your website, where you manage settings, content, design, and features. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar. This menu gives you access to the different sections of your site management tools. In that left sidebar, click on Apps. This section is where Wix organizes the tools and features you can add to your website. After opening it, click on App Market. The App Market is the library where Wix lists available apps you can browse and install. Think of it as the place where you shop for extra functionality for your site. Once you're in the App Market, you can search for an app you want to add. If you already know the name of the app or the kind of feature you need, use the search bar to find it faster. If you're not completely sure which app you need, you can also take a moment to look through the available options and choose the one that best matches your goal. After you find the app you want, click on it to open its details. This is a useful step because it lets you review what the app does before installing it. You can usually get a better sense of whether it fits your website and what kind of function it will add. When you're ready, click Add to Site. Wix will then install the app to your website, and that's it. The app is now added to your site. At this point, depending on the app, you may want to explore its settings later so you can customize how it works on your website. But the actual process of adding the app is that simple. Go to your site dashboard, open Apps, enter the App Market, search for the app, select it, and add it to your site. That's all you need to do to add apps in Wix using Wix Apps.